Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to set up speed alerts in Waze in 2026. If you want Waze to warn you when you're driving over the speed limit, here's how to turn on this useful feature. First, open the Waze app on your phone. From the main map, tap the menu icon, then select Settings. Next, find and open the speedometer section. Make sure the speedometer option is turned on. Then look for the speed limit alert settings. Choose when you want Waze to notify you, such as when you reach or exceed the posted speed limit. You can also choose whether you want a visual alert, a sound, or both, depending on the options available on your device and Waze version. Once you've finished adjusting the settings, return to the map. Waze can now alert you when your speed reaches the selected threshold. And that's how to set up speed alerts in Waze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Waze tutorials.